Um, Broad aligned general finance consulting with property. Broad and more aligned with general corporate finance consulting. Mortgage of for self, while relevant for mortgage sector, it's not specific to the luxury or high value property market. That's the thing. So it wouldn't attract the proper target market. So anyone that would click on it is not a meaningful lead for Ines Global. Um, and let's go down here. High loan to value mortgage, high loan to value mortgages. These could be relevant if Ines Global specializes in high value loan to value mortgages, which are often sought after in the luxury property market. Okay, let's see. Complex mortgage broker. This could be a good keyword if Ines Global deals with complex mortgage scenarios, often associated with high value. This and they do so. This is definitely good. You see what happened here was the first thing that we did was to get to the commercial aspect of it. We needed first to allow the AI to first study the client and then allow it to actually learn and create simulations based on the target market, based on what the target market looks for, and then what the target market is attracted to. With that in mind, we take now these low performing keywords, because these low performing keywords are based on the metrics. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're low performing in terms of producing meaningful leads. As we saw the one on the one of the search keywords here on top, London commercial real estate. It says this is high performing keyword, but if you look at the metrics here, it's in the list of low performing keywords. So we can't just announce this based on the metrics. Just based on the metrics. So that is something just to bear in mind. Number two, to make this as short as possible. How many minutes are we down? 80 minutes. Oh, that's a lot. Cool. Let's go. Million pound mortgage broker. This is a high performing keyword. It directly targets with the high end property market, which is Ines Global's niche. But if you look, it's now in the low performing. Remember, because it says £1 million mortgage brokers, just know that people who are in the £1 million bracket is a it's a very, very low niche. It's not a high niche, right? The people who can the people who can buy. That's why wholesalers is a specific building, and retailers is also a specific building. There are specific services that sell in different quantities because the target market are of different commercial value. Now, pay attention here. Large mortgage loan, relevant and potentially high performing target individuals seeking loans, large loans, likely for luxury properties. Unlisted stock loans. This is more about securities based lending. So, this is what I wanted to do before we can just give an answer to the client and say, okay, this is low performing because the metrics are low. No, no, no. We need to understand why are the metrics low. We have to see it from a financial perspective. We have to see it from no, not financial, from a commercial perspective. Because at the end, we need the right target market. We need the proper target market to do what? To be attracted to. We need to use, as I said yesterday, we need to use PPC and SEO as a staff and rod, right, to lead the sheep, the clients, or in this case, the target market, to the shed, and the shed is our client.
YouTube Music is a
Right? That's
music
what
app
we
with over
need to
18
do.
million
So
official
we need to
songs. That's so
leverage
many songs,
these
you could
things.
keep listening
That's
until
why
your great great grandkid was
one of the
born.
mistakes that
Get
I
YouTube
noticed
Music
here
Premium.
was this, because we didn't angle we didn't angle the what. If we go here, we didn't angle the what here. If you just look at the homepage here, it says in this global leading in